Today we're going to learn about the bow. The stick of the bow is made out of wood. Here we have the tip and the hair, which is actually made from horse's hair, or the tail of the horse. And this part of the bow, the black part, is the frog. Here we have the screw, which is used to loosen or tighten the hair. Now you want to be very careful not to touch the hair with your fingers, since oftentimes we have oil on our fingertips, which doesn't mix well with the hair and can cause for a very slippery surface. At the beginning of your practice, you'll want to rosin the bow. And rosin can be bought at any music store. And it's sort of a sticky material that causes the hair to grip the string better. So when we rosin the bow, we grab the frog as if we're playing the instrument, or you can grab it like this, and just take a few passes on the rosin. Make sure you rosin very well the tip and the frog as well. When you finish practicing, you'll want to use a cloth to wipe off any rosin on the bow stick. You can do that by putting the cloth between the hair and the stick. Always remember to loosen the hair before you put the bow away. And that's the bow.